All right, people all the time ask me, Chris, where is the best place to find motivated sellers? Where can I find cash buyers? So that way I can make this business simpler as far as matching them together and making money. And your prayers are answered today. So there's a system that I've been using for the past 2.5 years. All right, it has literally changed the game for me, especially being a virtual wholesaler, because it allows me to log into the system, and with a few buttons that pressed on my computer, I have access to tons and tons of data, over 15,000 records each and every single month of vacant leads, liens, people that are behind in their taxes, people that are facing pre-foreclosure, people that have failed listing with a realtor. It even shows people that have a free and clear property, or either they're going actively through a divorce, as well as cash buyers. So literally all I have to do is just log into the system, pull a list of different leads, whichever leads I want, go out and start to market to them through my text messaging and voicemail software. Then once we lock up a deal with them, we go into the same software, pull up a list of cash buyers, reach out to them, because these are previous buyers that have bought, and then we match them up together. Not only does it allow me to pull a list, but it allows me to get a comprehensive data to figure out what the property is worth, and I'll always know exactly all the information about the property as far as the owner, how long they own the property, what taxes and things they owe on it, but also, more importantly, how much the property is worth and what a cash buyer will pay me. See, the thing about wholesaling is you have to know exactly what a buyer will pay you. That way you'll know exactly what to offer homeowners, so that way you can lock the deal up and make sure you ensure that you make a profit on every single deal that you do. So listen, right now you can get a free trial to this system. It's absolutely game changer. You must have this system. If you don't have it, you will get left behind. All right, so what I want you to do is go to thebestdataever.com. There's a free 7-day trial. You'll see my face that'll pop up on it. I am endorsing the system because I use it in my business, and several of my successful students have used this, and this has actually been the catapult to why they've been successful so fast. So go to thebestdataever.com, or you'll see the link somewhere on this video. Get started with 7-day free trial. Hey, if you don't like it, you can cancel, but nobody cancels because it's absolutely game changer. You must have it if you're an active real estate wholesaler. All right, so go ahead, click that button and get inside, and I will see you on the other side.